Property management is an industry that requires you to coordinate with different types of clients and requires you to constantly learn and practice the art of adaptability and resilience. Once you finally decide to take on the challenge, expect a compelling, challenging, and profitable journey ahead of you. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on any of our videos as we dig deeper and explain everything that short-term rentals have to offer. Click the notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload insightful content made just for you. Property managers are responsible for a property when the landlord or owner is unable to perform the task at hand, or just doesn't have enough time. Property managers are only concerned with short-term rentals, as buying and selling is already under a real estate agent's jurisdiction. Before you even think about being a property manager, you first need to learn the basics. Diving right into the job without adequate knowledge is a major turnoff to your prospective clients. You need to be familiar with how rental property works in your specific area, if there are any restrictions and factors to consider as you go through this process. Know the legal requirements. Legality strengthens your credibility as a property manager. Legal requirements vary from each state, and abiding by them will give you or your company a trustworthy image that lets them know that you're able to handle multiple properties with your team. You may need to secure a general business license, where you have to get your business registered with your local government, and a short-term rental license. You will most likely need this for short-term renting. This ensures that your rental property meets the health and safety requirements, is compliant with zoning restrictions, and that neighboring properties have received notifications. Rental licenses may or may not be needed, as it will depend on the city you're living in. Maximize learning opportunities. Learn, and learn some more. It's a lifelong process, and if going back to school is not an option, then you can always take advantage of online classes to boost your skills and increase your knowledge. Then invest in yourself. In this industry, impressions and credibility make a huge difference. As an aspiring property manager, you might need to work on your set of skills, such as your communication and reasoning skills, and basics of budget management. Property managers do have lots on their plate. A lot. That is because managing properties isn't just something you can do twice a week or thrice a month. It's an everyday transaction between the owners and incoming guests. Let's say you have a potential client. You can now plan the structure of your business and the services your clients will benefit from. At Prowess Property Management, we specialize in short-term rentals and have clients across Canada. Some of our services include listing, advertising, and optimizing listings in different short-term rental platforms and major hotel booking sites. We handle all inquiries, consultations, and bookings. 24/7 guest assistance. No booking or management fees. We will coordinate each check-in and check-out, and more. These are just a few of the services that property management companies offer. Take note that the more services you offer, the higher the cost will be for the potential homeowners, so be wise and reasonable with the fees you impose. In order to progress, property managers need to address every problem with up-to-date solutions. Read property management blogs and keep up with new methods to improve your game. Consult with fellow property managers to stay in the loop with the current trends and approaches. It is just a matter of getting started. Prepare your notes, plan ahead, and who knows, you might just become the next big thing. Leave your comments below and we'll do our best to answer. If you need anything, you can go to our official website. Find the link in the caption below. Thank you so much and see you on the next episode.